What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Maybe I got sunburned. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very strange video. I'm sure you're thinking that. Today I'm just gonna give you a little fridge tour. No, this is not a sign that I'm running out of ideas. Let's just go through the tour. Up here we have water, a lot of water, because we love a quenched sister. In there we have butter. I like butter a lot. I love butter. Here we have spicy pickles. Oh, I forgot to drink something from the top shelf. Yum. I really, really love ketchup. Next up, we have... Oh, yum. Let's go. We have French vanilla. Dude, that tastes good. Here we have medicine that I'm not gonna eat. Other stuff. And that is all for the video. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Share with your friends, please. I need views. I need revenue. For real though, share with like your whole entire family, your whole entire friends, every single your friend. Just put it out there. Thank you. And I'll make sure to see you guys next time. Sorry for not posting. I ran out of ideas, so comment down below. Please, please comment down below video ideas. I'll pay you. I went to the dentist today. So yeah, next time we'll do a freezer with Alexis. Peace out. I'm really sorry for this. Oh,